Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Just on a cheeky stop to Manchester Airport, the Marriott Hotel, to look at the A7 IV that Sony have invited me to go and look at today. So here we go, down the motorway to the Manchester Airport to see Sony A7 IV and see what it can really do. Well, arrived in Manchester at the Marriott Hotel and to this conference centre, and it's a beautiful day down in Manchester. So just shortly we're going to go into the conference centre. There's 15 places, going to be 15 people for an hour checking out the Sony A7 IV. Hopefully I can take my A7C in and do a bit of vlogging, so we'll see. But yeah, lovely day, so let's go and check it out. I've just come out of the Sony Roadshow here at the Marriott Hotel at Manchester Airport. Just to be just amazing. The A7 IV that I've just been holding, really good camera. Just had a look at the video features and also the photo features, and tried them with different lenses, shooting with a model as well. That was good. So thoroughly recommend the A7 IV. And I'm going to post some pictures as well. So this is the first of its kind that Sony's done on a roadshow, showing people what it can do. Yeah, fantastic, and I'm really glad that I've pre-ordered one. And so there's a roadshows coming up. So maybe you can get yourself onto a roadshow to see the A7 IV. I'll put a list in the description below of where they're happening. It's free to attend. Literally it is 1 hour. You're all right, you can go past. It literally is 1 hour that you've got. There's about half an hour of showing you up to the features of the camera by the Sony staff, and then literally 15 minutes just to play around with the camera. And I wasn't able to record in there, in that room, quite secretive about it. But these were where are they? Pre-production models. These were pre-production models that we handled, and that was the first of its kind. And there was only 5 cameras. There was 15 of us, and so those models of those cameras are all from around Europe. And it's looking like the A7 IV won't be released until mid-December, not the start of December. Mid-December is when we're going to get our hands on the A7 IV. So yeah, really great camera. Really recommend it. Can't wait to get it out and use it when I get mine. And please like and subscribe this video if you liked it, you think it's been worthwhile. Really appreciate your support. Take care. Bye for now.